We can act as a design team for someone or like augmenting a design team. We have a staff of engineers, designers, drafters, simulation experts, but we also can just provide the software and technologies people need to do things themselves. Hi, I'm Anthony Byrell with EAC Product Development Solutions. We specialize in transforming the way companies design, manufacture, connect to, and service their products. So we provide all the things people need to actually bring an idea to life, manufacture it, whether that be CAD software, data management software, IoT software, connect to the Internet of Things and leverage smart connected technology. We also offer the training and implementation and customization solutions that people need to actually get things going within their organizations. We offer technical publication services and help people streamline the way they do documentation and manuals and compliance. And we also offer engineering and design services and things like the formlabs 3D printer. We're a formlabs commercial partner in North America, making sure that people have everything they need, from software to people to hardware, to make sure they're developing products as efficiently as possible. We work with companies across all industries, across all disciplines, just to make sure that they're using technology and what's available to them to be as efficient and productive as possible. Our engineers and designers can work with companies to take a design that may have a failure or something that they're trying to overcome and just make it better. Our skilled set of engineers and the software that we use and offer can allow us to optimize designs, reduce fatigue, improve quality, and improve customer satisfaction. Now that may be fit and finish and feel, or just making sure that the structure behind a design is what it needs to be. Formlabs makes a printer called the Form 2. The Form 2 is a desktop SLA 3D printer. This printer allows people to print at remarkable resolution, down to 25 micron. They also offer many engineering resins, whether you need something that's flexible, or if you need a part that is rigid with glass impregnated resin, all the way down to fine detail ABS simulants and other tough materials. The printer is one of the most amazing pieces of hardware we found while building our business at a price point that no one can match. We're a PTC certified platinum partner to provide the solutions they need to connect a product, design a product, manage the data that goes with the product, and support marketing, procurement, the people that have to compare BOMs and make materials. We literally do everything someone needs to develop a product and bring it to market. We don't do manufacturing, that's where we stop. But we have partners that we trust that we can direct our clients to when it comes time to actually manufacture physical parts. So it's a lot to take in. So what I'm asking you to do is give us a call or visit eacpds.com for more information.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.